How to add users on Wrike. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add users to Wrike. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Wrike and then you will open up the project that you're working on. So I have opened up this project right here. Now I will show you how to add people, how to add team members to your Wrike project. So it's really easy to do. You will get the share option right here for your project. So I'm going to click on share and it will allow me to share my workspace with my team member or any of the employee. So all you need to do is you need to enter their email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter an email address right here. And then I'm going to click on invite to Wrike and an invitation will be sent to them. You can see right here, we can invite more than one user in one go and I can enter as many emails as I want. We can add 50 and then we have license type, which is regular user, external user, or a collaborator. So we can also select a person that we're adding, what kind of permission they will have. So I'm going to go with a regular user and I'm going to click on invite one user and an invitation will be sent to them and they will be able to simply join Wrike now. And this is how you can also go ahead and add as many people as you want, your team members, to your Wrike project. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.